Welcome to Blackbird's tutorial series. In this video, we will look at how an administrator manages roles. To manage the different roles, you will first need to click on the hamburger symbol and go to the Administration overview. Hereafter, you can select the Roles tab. The users in Blackbird follow a hierarchical structure where we have roles which get assigned to groups. A particular user will get a role which has then been assigned to a group. In Blackbird, there are 4 standard roles configured by default, and each of them have different clearances in the system. A super user can access and change everything in Blackbird. A read-only role can only access the system but not perform any changes. A manager almost has the same clearance as super users, except they cannot export the data. An operator can register stops and start batches in the system, but only has read access to certain parts of the system. A technician has read-only permission, except when using the AND-ON function. All roles, excluding the super user and the read-only user, can be changed, and different permissions can be given. You can also create new roles with customized clearance. Click on the blue plus symbol. Start by giving the role a name. Once created, go through the list and select R for read and W for write, which means to edit. Another option is to duplicate an existing role if you, for example, only want to make minor changes to do the permissions. To do so, click on the 3 dots next to the role and select Duplicate. Give the role their individual names. Now you can see the permissions of all the roles for your company. In the next video, we will look at how to manage groups as an administrator.